Yo, guys, where are we?
I don't know,
We
man.
just found a dead body right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just go explore.
Well, there has to be like something like, bro. What if we like run into a bear?
What the fuck?
What if
I
we
don't know
run
if there's
into,
any
like,
bears out here
a
because
siren?
I don't know.
That'd be crazy. Maybe
Or
like
a
a cat,
cat.
just like a giant cat, maybe.
Like imagine though. It's like impossible.
Here, I'll go first.
Wait, what's I found?
I'll hear nothing.
I thought I heard something.
Let's go look around.
Yo, if there's ever a monster around, we should probably climb up one of these trees.
Why is there no trees? Oh, can I see a tree?
Wait,
I'm scared, dude.
how do I hear something?
Dude, we just like. Oh, come on.
Bro, you guys know what's insane? I
Trees
really
were hard
burnt.
to climb.
I really burnt my finger. Look at that. Look how bad I burnt.
Like, I'm a little.
Everybody, look how. Everybody,
I should like no.
everybody,
like
look
that.
how bad I burnt my finger right there.
Damn.
I'm a fire, bro.
Bro, look at mine. Look how freaking bad.
Bro, you
What is
fucking
that?
broke it.
Wait, look at the shadow of that leaf.
I honest. Come down here.
Go down.
Let's go now. Let's go. Let's try and find
I
him.
don't think I want to go down.
Bro, you want to act like a white person and actually
You're
go
black?
find some people.
Oh, just edit that out. Edit that out.
Okay, let's go.
I don't know if we should go. Should we?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go over that way.
Damn, like, why can't I? Oh,
Bro, guys, come.
the fuck?
What the fuck is gonna be happening?
Wait, why do I feel like this area is familiar?
Yeah. I feel like I'm
Maybe
like
you found like the egg. Maybe you found like.
What's it found?